1300 hours, Pakistan Standard Time. Assalamu alaikum. This is Radio Pakistan. The news read by Hassan Gilani. First, the headlines. Prime Minister will participate in a mega telethon today, being arranged to collect funds for PM Corona Relief Fund. Foreign Minister says efforts are afoot to bring back the stranded Pakistanis in the Gulf at the earliest. AJK President says India has intensified atrocities in occupied Kashmir amidst coronavirus challenge. US-based journalist body Committee to Protect Journalists has urged India to stop harassing journalists in occupied Kashmir. And now the news in detail. A massive telethon transmission will be held today for fundraising to fight COVID-19. According to Senator Faisal Javed Khan, the government and private TV channels will launch the telethon for Corona Relief Fund, sensitizing Pakistani citizens within the country and abroad to come forward in helping the countryman in this testing time. He said telecom companies are facilitating consumers to send SMS on 6677 to contribute their share in PM Corona Relief Fund. Prime Minister will also participate in telethon at PTV network to raise funds for the people affected by the lockdown. In a video message, he said due to vast number of affected persons, huge amounts will be required to help them. He urged the philanthropists to actively participate in this fundraising campaign. Foreign Minister Shah Mahmood Qureshi has said efforts are afoot to bring back the stranded Pakistanis in the Gulf at the earliest. In a statement today, he said screening is being done at the airports and quarantine facilities have also been expanded there. The Foreign Minister said that the opening of remaining airports has enhanced our capacity to bring back 6,000 to 7,000 Pakistanis from abroad every week. Shah Mahmood Qureshi said the coronavirus has badly affected the economy of the world. He said this pandemic will also increase pressure on Pakistan's economy as it has brought to a standstill the economic activity and reduced our exports. The Foreign Minister said Pakistan has increased its testing capacity for coronavirus. He said we had earlier testing capacity of 3,000, but it will reach 70 to 30,000 by May. Delivering of food aid to COVID-19 quarantine centres in Lahore has begun under EHSAS program. This was stated by Special Assistant on Social Protection and Poverty Alleviation, Dr. Sania Nishtar, in a tweet today. She said EHSAS policy of leaving no one behind without any discrimination will be followed by our all partners. The Special Assistant said the COVID-19 shutdown has badly affected labourers, daily wage earners, domestic helpers and small vendors. She also shared a video featuring her surprise interaction with labour class at EHSAS emergency cash site in Islamabad. AJK President Sardar Masood Khan has said India has intensified atrocities in occupied Jammu and Kashmir amidst coronavirus challenge. He made the remarks during his visit to National Disasters Management Authority in Islamabad today, where he met with its chairman Lieutenant General Muhammad Afzal. The AJK president pointed out that Kashmiri youth are being killed by the Indian occupation forces in detention centres. Sardar Masood Khan appreciated the highly effective role being played by National Disaster Management Authority in the fight against coronavirus. A US-based journalist organization, the Committee to Protect Journalists, has urged India to allow journalists to work freely in occupied Kashmir. In a statement in New York, senior Asia correspondent for the organization, Alia Iftikhar, asked Indian authorities to stop harassing journalists in occupied Valley by filing fake cases against them. In occupied Kashmir, the healthcare professionals fear that the territory may become a new epicenter of COVID-19 pandemic as coronavirus cases surge in India. According to KMS reports, the occupied territory is having one of the most unprepared and understaffed public health system. The territory has recorded 380 coronavirus cases, but this number is thought to be a gross underestimation. The worldwide death toll from the coronavirus pandemic has risen to 184,000, while over 2.6 million declared cases have been registered. According to reports in the United States, death toll from the pandemic now stands at 47,600, with over 849,000 infections from the virus. UN Secretary General Antonio Guterres has said taking advantage of the coronavirus pandemic to erode human rights would be unacceptable. Unveiling a new report on human rights in a statement, he said that against the background of this rising ethno-nationalism, populism, authoritarianism, and a pushback against human rights in some countries, the crisis can provide a pretext to adopt repressive measures for purposes unrelated to the pandemic. In Afghanistan, 4 Taliban, including a key commander, Mullah Habib, have been killed and 3 others injured during an operation by security forces in Kandahar province. And this is the end of the news. For more news and analysis, log on to our website radio.gov.pk and also watch live video streaming of our bulletins on the link facebook.com/Radio Pakistan News Official.